Today, mastering digital payments just got simpler. We're diving into the quick and easy way to activate PayID with your Westpac account, transforming how you send and receive money. No more sharing BSB and account numbers, just a mobile number or email address. It's faster, simpler, and completely secure. Let's get started. First, open your Westpac app and log in securely. Look for the Payments section, usually found in the bottom navigation bar or the main menu. Once you're in Payments, you'll want to find the option that says Manage PayID or PayID Setup. Tap on it. Now, you'll be presented with a screen explaining PayID. Read through the details and select Create PayID. The app will then ask you what identifier you wish to use. This can be your mobile phone number, your email address, or even your ABN if you have a business account. For most people, the mobile number is the most convenient option. Select the identifier you prefer. If you choose your mobile number or email address, Westpac will need to verify it. A verification code will be sent to the selected identifier. Check your text messages or email inbox for this code. Enter the code into the app when prompted. This step links your chosen identifier directly to your Westpac account. Almost done. The app will then ask you to confirm which specific Westpac account you want your PayID linked to. Select the account you use most often for receiving payments. Review all the details on the final confirmation screen, your chosen PayID, and the linked account. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm. Congratulations! Your Westpac PayID is now set up and active. You can start giving out your mobile number or email address instead of your BSB and account number to receive instant payments. Enjoy the convenience of faster, simpler transfers.